एवरीवन, आज की हमारा वीडियो का टॉपिक है ब्लड सप्लाई ऑफ टिपिकल इंटरकोस्टल स्पेस। ब्लड सप्लाई मीन्स आर्टीरियल सप्लाई और venous drainage. Each intercostal space is supplied by two set of arteries. Anteriorly, it is supplied by internal thoracic artery up to 6 intercostal space. Then it divides into musculophrenic and superficial epigastric artery. Epigastric artery, superficial, and musculophrenic. And posteriorly, it is supplied by posterior intercostal artery, which is the branch of descending thoracic aorta. Descending thoracic aorta. So anteriorly, internal thoracic artery, it arises from first part of subclavian artery. Then it travels into the intercostal space behind costal cartilage, ribs and sternum on each side of the sternum. In each intercostal space, it gives two anterior intercostal artery. It runs up to the costochondral junction. कोस्टोकॉन्ड्रल जंक्शन तक ये एंटीरियर इंटरकोस्टल आर्टरी रन करती हैं. दे anastomose with the posterior intercostal artery and their branch. So they anastomosis with the posterior intercostal artery and their branches. Posterior intercostal artery. Posterior intercostal artery. In up to 6 intercostal space, anterior intercostal artery, they are 2 in number, arise from internal thoracic artery. In 7th, 8th and 9th, they arise from musculophrenic artery, branch of internal thoracic artery. Now we talk with the posterior intercostal artery. Posterior intercostal artery from space 3, 3rd to 12th, they arise from 3rd to 11th, posteriorly or anteriorly 3rd to 9th. They arise from the posterior, they arise from descending thoracic aorta, and they are 1 in number. First, on right side, they curve on the body of vertebra behind esophagus, thoracic duct, azygous vein and sympathetic trunk. The posterior on right side, posterior intercostal artery that arise from descending thoracic aorta from third intercostal space. First, it run in front of body of thoracic vertebra behind esophagus, thoracic duct, azygous vein and sympathetic chain. Then it enter into the intercostal space. Here it divide into a collateral branch and the main stem. Collateral branch, it anastomose with the upper anterior intercostal artery, and main trunk, it anastomoses with the lower anterior intercostal artery, branch of internal thoracic artery. In intercostal space, they supplying the intercostal muscles and the fascia. On left side, right intercostal artery, their stem is longer than the left intercostal artery because descending aorta lie on the left side. On left side, it pass behind the hemiazygous vein and sympathetic chain, then enter into the intercostal space. Again give muscular branches and the collateral branch. Main stem and collateral branch both anastomose with the anterior intercostal artery, branch of internal thoracic artery from 1st to 6th intercostal space. Then 7th, 8th and 9th intercostal space, they arise from the musculophrenic artery. So this is the blood supply of typical intercostal space. Now, first one.